Here we have a 67 plate Ford Ranger Wildtrak. With this vehicle you do get 4 20-inch Riviera alloy wheels, all in excellent unmarked, unscratched condition, as you can see just there. We've got the all-terrain tyres on as well. Coming around to the front, we've got our bull bar at the bottom just there. We've also got our LED light bar, which has its own individual bull bar, as you can see just there. We've then got the blacked out Ford badging. Coming around to the side, you can see our second alloy wheel, again excellent unmarked, unscratched condition. We've then got our colour coded wing mirrors and door handles, roof rail on top. We've then got these side steps as well. We've got our third alloy wheel just here, again excellent unmarked, unscratched condition. Privacy glass for the rear passengers with black trim around the windows. We've then got the load cover at the back. Open this up, you can see plenty of space in here, all covered from the elements as well. Handy to have with the mounting top cover just there. Taking a step back, we've also got our tow bar. We've got front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera as well, and as you can see we are free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Another thing to add is we do have the wide arch kit on this vehicle, so you see we've got the wide arches just there, which look absolutely fantastic. We've got our last alloy wheel just here, again excellent unmarked, unscratched condition. We've then got the side Cobra exhaust, the dual pipes, which looks absolutely fantastic yet again. Really unique being in that position just there. Let's take a look in the interior. We've got the half leather throughout, 3 seats in the rear, ISO fixed points within. We've got a fold down armrest just there. In the middle we've got our 12 volt connectivity. We've got 2 storage pockets on either side, well, 1 on either side should I say. We've then got this leather trim with the orange stitching, lovely black and orange contrast in these vehicles, electric window controls, storage and integrated speakers. Coming into the front, we've got that same half leather interior, same black and orange. Got the Wildtrak stitching on either side just there as well. On the door here we've got our lock and unlock button, brushed metal handle, electric window controls with child lock for the rear windows, more of this leather with the orange stitching again, more storage and the integrated speakers just there as well. Stepping inside, we've got our auto lights on the right just here. We've then got our electric power folding wing mirrors. We'll start the car up, foot on the brake, turn the key. There we go. Now we'll just wait for that to start up. As you can see, we have covered just over 31,700 miles and we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Now we'll just turn down the controls just there. We've got our multifunctional steering wheel, different controls whilst we're on the go. We've even got things like adaptive cruise control as well as speed limiter. Coming across, we've got our auto wipers, and then on the left here we have got lane keeping assist as well. Really well spec'd, this vehicle. We've then got our infotainment screen in the middle just here. You've got the home screen on display at the moment. You'll then find things like audio, different sources like AM, FM and DAB radio, CD and Bluetooth audio as well. We've got our climate controls just here. Both front passengers are treated to heated seats, which work exactly how you would expect. We've then got phone connectivity, so we can connect our phone via Bluetooth to make calls or listen to music. Navigation as well, different mobile apps. And then if we go into the settings, we've got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, as well as ambient lighting, which is a really nice feature to have as well. Now I'll put it into reverse. You'll see we've got our reversing camera as well as front and rear sensors with visual display. Moving down, we've then got our stereo and dual climate zone controls, so we can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently. Again, you can actually use the screen or the controls here, whichever is to your preference. 2 12 volt connection points, USB connections down there. Moving down, we've got a button to turn off the beeping on our parking sensors, traction control, rear diff lock, hill descent control. We've got 2 high, 4 high and 4 low, different drive modes, especially useful for if you're off-roading. We've got our gear stick just here, park, reverse, neutral and drive. Flick it across to sport, we can now go down or up a gear like so. Easy as that. Moving down, we've got 2 good sized cup holders, handbrake just there, and then the leather armrest, which also doubles up as storage. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on this video. Thank you for watching. video test drive for this Ford Ranger Wildtrak. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the car's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how they should. So starting off, we have got adaptive cruise control. To activate this, I'll simply make sure I'm in cruise, just there, press set, like so, and I'm now cruising at my current speed. Very easy to adjust the speed with the plus and minus, and with it being adaptive, we will maintain a safe distance between ourselves and the vehicle in front, and you can change that distance with the arrows just here as well, so the car will slow down or speed up depending on the distance of the car in front. We've then got our gear changes, so if I flick across to the right just here, I can go up or down a gear like so. So I'm currently in 3rd gear, up to 4th, into 5th, back down to 4th, and into 3rd as well. And as you can tell through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly how you would expect. Now we are just going to take a left at this roundabout as if you were here with us today, and it's definitely worth mentioning how comfortable this vehicle is. We've got the fantastic half leather interior with the orange contrast. We've got heated seats for both front passengers and everything we could desire on the infotainment screen as well. We've also got some other high-tech features like lane keeping assist, but like I said, with the infotainment screen, you've got things like DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, Apple and Android CarPlay, plenty of things that you would desire. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 1.5 years. So although the COVID-19 situation has had a huge impact on many businesses, and still is doing to this day, we feel like we're quite well prepared. We have adjusted our deliveries ever so slightly to make them contactless, and what this means is we'll sanitize our hands, we'll sanitize the keys, and we'll just do an extra thorough clean of the vehicle before delivering it to yourself, just to ensure your safety and our own. Now we are a 5-star dealership as well. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Auto Trader alone, as well as many others on other sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online, check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now I'm about to take a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake and also demonstrate that reverse works as it should. So 3, 2, 1. There we go, very sharp on the brakes just there, straight into reverse. Reversing camera with a visual display of front and rear sensors, all working exactly how you would expect. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Part exchanges are welcome if you'd wish to come and view the if you'd wish to part exchange, just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed in our video online photos, the video walk around or this test drive, again, feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. That's all from me in this video. Thank you for watching.